friends, and welcome back to a humongous Kmart haul. We went to Kmart because I'm starting to put together some Christmas presents for family members, and this year I decided to give them hampers. And looking at the prices of different hampers, I just felt that they were too impersonal. Biscuits and cookies, and if you went upmarket you could get a bottle of champagne and something a little bit more interesting. And I felt that for the price, I couldn't find the value in the ones that I could see around me. So I decided to create my own and personalize them to the people that I was going to give them to. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I bought from Kmart to start off the process of creating these hampers. So I went to Kmart because I wanted to find something to help me put some hampers together that are more personalized beyond the usual ones that you find. And the price range of what I want to buy just wasn't available in a pre-made up hamper at Kmart or everywhere else that I looked. So I decided to start off at Kmart and start building a more personalized hamper. There are 3 people that I'm going to be buying hampers for. One's a young lady who's newlywed, and one is an older couple, husband and wife. So I thought, starting off with the husband and wife, I decided to curate from Kmart an affordable Christmas hamper, starting off with this cute little Christmas basket from Kmart that you can use with the little insert of the calico insert in white and red during Christmas time, or you can remove it and just use it plain as a faux bamboo basket during the rest of the year. However, I thought that as a Christmas hamper, this was perfect, and I think this was $8. So this is for the couple, and I'm starting it off. It's not quite finished. I just started off, and I thought I would show you to give you some ideas come Christmas if you're wearing Christmas hampers. So this is for an older couple, and I thought for the lady of the older couple, I would buy her some feel-good items. These are a pack that I bought from Kmart. They're a foot scrub, a foot cream, a foot soak, a foot scrub, and some bed socks that I think that anyone in their later years, and I'm talking about myself too, would find really handy. Every night I use a special cream on my feet to keep them nice and soft, and I think this would come in handy for anyone. I sometimes also wear bed socks because I find that when I put the cream on my feet, I don't want to wipe it on my sheets. So the bed socks just make sure that the creams that I put on stay on my feet rather than spread on the sheets. So I thought she would like this, and this was very affordable. So I thought I would put that in the hamper, and then also top it up with some face masks. You can't go wrong with these. They're cheap and fun from Kmart. These were $2.25. They're a watermelon hydrating sheet mask and a rose hydrating sheet mask, which I thought she would love. I know personally I love receiving face masks. Doesn't matter whether they're expensive or they're cheap, and these are just fun. I think the fact that you're applying a face mask just gives you that relaxation feeling that you need, that spa-like feeling that you need. And I think anything you put on your face with a little bit of moisturization will make you feel better, more relaxed, and feel more alive. And I find that these do the trick, just hitting the mark when it comes to wanting to spoil myself a little bit. So these are really good and so affordable at Kmart. And I thought I would add those to the hamper. And also, to make them feel good, add a little candle. This is the toasted vanilla candle, and I think this is only $2.50, so it's very affordable. You can create a really good looking hamper that's personalized to the recipient without spending too much money, and still give them something that's going to be useful and that they'll appreciate. So I bought this to add, and then I'll probably add a couple of more things to it, but this is what I got yesterday from Kmart. And then for the husband, I bought some chocolate biscuits, also from Kmart. I think these were $3.50 or thereabout. There is a bigger pack, but I'm going to be adding a few more things for the husband. So this is something sweet to start off with. And then for the husband, I'm planning on creating more of a coffee connoisseur type of hamper section. So for the lady, it's more about pampering and relaxation. And for the husband, it's more about coffee and enjoying a nice coffee. So with that in mind, I bought the 2 wool coffee mugs from Kmart. I'm planning on opening these up and either buying a box of fancy coffee that he can use and I can put in the hamper, or putting some coffee beans in here and adding some pre-made up sachets of coffee. I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to get it all done by the time this video goes up. It may be up then in the Christmas vlog that I'm creating, where I'll show you how I put all these hampers together. But I thought today I would show you what I bought in anticipation of creating a hamper that I thought might give you some ideas also if you want to create a more curated Christmas hamper for your loved ones. So I bought 2 of these. Oh, I bought the pack of 2 that I'm going to be putting in this Christmas hamper. So this is what's going to go in it, plus a few more things. I'm going to go shopping later tonight, late night trading, to top this up and then put it together probably this weekend so it can be up for next Wednesday's Christmas vlog. So anyway, so that's hamper number 1. And then hamper number 2 is for a young newlywed girl, lady, woman. And I thought it would be something cute and fun to give her for Christmas. So for her, I bought this beautiful gold box from Kmart. Also, this was $8. It is their Christmas gold basket. I just thought it would be so cute. Of course, it does scream Christmas being gold. However, being gold, you can also use it as an accessory item, either in your bathroom. So you can put all your beauty care items in it and just slide it in and out of your vanity, or you can just use it in your bedroom to store your socks and undies and whatnot in a shelf in your wardrobe, just to pull out and use it as storage. I thought this was really beautiful and really pretty to use as a hamper rather than your standard boxes that you buy. So anyway, so I said this young lady is newlywed, so I thought I would buy her something a little bit fun for Christmas. And Kmart has these beautiful satin slips for only $10. Isn't this just too gorgeous? I thought this would spice things up in the bedroom of a newlywed. Not that they need any help, I think, in the bedroom. But anyway, this is really pretty. I thought red would be perfect for Christmas and would be something silky that she could slip into after work at night or during the daytime on the weekend. Anyway, enough ideas. This is really pretty. It's really silky, fun and festive for the Christmas season that I thought I would bundle up with some more feel-good items for her hamper. Again, I added another candle. I love the toasted vanilla, so I bought another one of these. These smell divine. Light a candle in the bedroom to invite some sensual ideas. Chocolates. You can't go wrong with chocolates. And also some more biscuits, sweets. Tempting. And if she then wants to use these as more of a spa environment where she can sort of pamper herself, the candle, light a candle, jump in a bath, have some chocolates, put on a face mask, have some biscuits, and then afterwards slip into something pretty that she can relax in. I'm also going to be adding to this though a bottle of champagne and a few other things to go with it. But this is what I found at Kmart that I thought would be really handy and more curated hamper for a young newlywed lady. Anyway, that's it for the hamper. What I did end up finding then at Kmart that I had really a lot of trouble finding, because when I went to the kitchen section looking for just simple Christmas dishes that I could use as serving dishes to give as gifts. I'm planning on making some biscuits to add to these dishes and give them and wrap them up in cellophane and give them as little gifts, little tokens to friends leading up to Christmas. And I couldn't find anything small or just the right shape at my local Kmarts that I visited. As I said, I visited 3 different Kmarts and they're all very picked over, considering there's still another, 10 days to Christmas or thereabout. You would think that the stock would be a lot higher than what it is. I think everyone's gotten in there early and started their Christmas shopping early, and there's not a lot of stock left on the shelf. So what I ended up finding that would suit the picture that I've created in my mind is this red lolly glass serving dish. This is really pretty. Let me open it and show it to you. You've probably seen it because it has been a while, for a few weeks, out on the shelves at Kmart. At first I thought it would be quite big for biscuits, maybe too big, but really if you think that the biscuits are about that big, I'm probably only going to be able to fit 3 stacks of biscuits and then maybe a couple more on top and a scattering of chocolates all around it before I wrap it up with cellophane. So really it's the perfect size, I think, for a little Christmas gift for a friend. This was $10, and then I'm just going to personalize it and make my own Christmas biscuits or some sort of biscuits that are a little bit more intricate that I can give for Christmas as a gift. I do hope that this video has given you some inspiration on creating your own hampers and gifts to give loved ones. I personally feel that it's so much nicer to make your own hamper to give to loved one, people that you know quite closely, because it just shows that you've gone that extra mile to create something for them and put something together that they're going to like. I mean, I could put everything in a little bag and just give it to them, but I think creating a hamper with a big bow and a cellophane wrapper, it's just going to give it more of a festive look, in my opinion anyway. And I hope that it's given you some ideas on what you can create this coming week for any last minute presents that you'd like to create for loved ones. I hope wherever you are, you're having a fabulous day. The sun is shining and you're in perfectly good health. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I really love for you to join my little growing community, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Until next time, my friends. Bye.